Truck doesn't have very many kilometers on it. I think like 67,000 kilometers, 40,000 miles. It's only a dump truck. Doesn't even have a very big cylinder, so you couldn't even load it up very much. But this clutch isn't wore out. This clutch is smoked. And it's a push style. That's a weak automotive style. These Fusos are just not built heavy duty enough. Imagine putting a camper on that and trying to climb a hill and realizing your gear's too high and you smoke a clutch trying to frickin' get her out of a friggin' sand dune with your fully loaded. Now these guys are trying to keep up and underload. Very nasty. Ooh, she just stinks. Smoked her so bad, luckily it didn't take it, heat up and friggin' take out the rear main seal. Yeah, it's not even to the rivets yet. That's nice and